Okay, now I'm going to start the topic linear equations. Okay, in linear equations, we have a little bit these in algebra in earlier classes, you have learned, for example, 5x. So, what is x over here? What is x?
N or any other alphabet is a variable.
Yeah, this is the variable. And what is the 5 over here?
Constant term or the numerical term?
Yeah, this is the constant. Okay. So, in algebra, all the things which are written in alphabets, that means A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, all are the variables, and the which are in numbers, all are the constants. Okay? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, for example, we have 2x plus y is equal to 3. Oh, sorry. This is a 2x plus 5, for example. Okay? So, what are different terms over here? 2x, then 5, then 3. Now, in this, x is the variable and 2 is the constant. Okay, Parishi? And this is
Yes, ma'am.
equal to. And this whole expression, 2x plus y is equal to 3. This is termed as linear equation. This whole expression is termed as linear equation. Clear? For example, we have an equation like this. X squared plus 4 is equal to 2. But this is not the linear equation. This is not the linear equation because here we have in the power 2. So what are the linear equations? When in the variables we have a power 1, then it is the linear equation. Okay? When we have
Yes, ma'am.
when we have the power when we have the power 1, then it is linear equation. When we have the power more than 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4. These are some more advanced concept which you learn in later sections and later classes. But all the variables which have the power 1 are termed as linear equations. Okay? I think you will got the concept of linear equations. Clear, Parishi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to start the exercise. Now the question number 1, x minus 2 is equals to 7. And for example, I'm not going to solve this. I'm going to give you a concept. For example, I have y plus 3 is equals to 10. And here I have y minus 3 is equal to 10. Parishi, if you just note it down each and every concept in your notebook, then it's easy for you to understand the concepts in later times also. Okay? Parishi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in this linear equation, this is the left hand side because it is on our left hand side, and this is the right hand side. Okay. Now, when we have plus with the digits, and when we take these digits to our right side, their signs get changed. If we have plus,
Okay,
it becomes minus. If we have minus, it becomes plus. This is a very silly mistakes normally done by lot of students. Okay. So it is y is equal to, don't write 3.
10 minus 3.
Yeah, firstly write this 10. Don't write 3. Firstly write the digit which is after equal to. Then this is plus 3. Then we have minus 3. Okay. Sometimes some students have written in this way minus 3 plus 10. or some students written in this way and they will do wrong. Okay, these are the mistakes done by the students. So firstly, just note it down the digits or the things which are written after equal to, then shift this thing with on the right side. Okay, so we have plus, so it is minus. Now similarly in this question we write y, then equal to, then 10. Now this is minus 3, it becomes what?
+3.
Very good. Both of you are a little bit intelligent. Okay, now what's the answer over here?
7.
Very good. Why it is 7? Why it is not minus 7?
Ma'am, because the minus, which is with 3, and 3 is a smaller number than 10. 10 is a positive number and it is greater than 3.
And why don't you have it written 13?
Ma'am, because 13 plus 3 is not equal
Yeah,
to
this
10.
is plus sign and this is minus sign. So these are the two different signs. So we subtract both of them. We have a concept over here also. I want to share with you. If two digits have different signs, the operation which we do over here is minus. If we have the same signs, we just add them. If we have the same minus signs, then again we add them. But what is the sign which we kept in the answer is the sign of the bigger digit. So here are these two different signs, plus and minus. So we subtract them and what we get 7. And the sign that 10 is the bigger digit and it has plus 10. So our answer is plus 7. Okay, you know all the things, but I also want to clarify all the concepts because they are related with here. So in the later classes I will not got any problems with you. So this is plus 7. Okay, Parishi?
Yes, ma'am.
Now similarly we have same signs here. So what is the answer over here?
So, ma'am, it will add
Then
13.
yeah, and 10 has the plus, so we have plus 13. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you noted these examples?
Yes, ma'am.
From the app, there's a box of assignment. Your sister haven't sent me the homework, and I will also send you today that from that part, and you will send me on the or from that all the things which you are written in your notebook, the picture of that along with the homework, which I will give you after the class. Okay, because in the next class if you haven't sent me that homeworks, I will not teach you. Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want the pictures of all the questions. करना तो बनता है ना बेटा? Huh? For your teachers. Okay. Now, for example, I have in this way y plus 3 is equals to minus 10. Then how will I proceed? Tell me.
Ma'am, it will be y is equal to minus 10 minus 3 and minus minus is plus, so minus 13.
Very good. Clear, Pareshi. Now, observe your exercise 2.1, question number 1. Can you solve this?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I am not going to tell you. You will send me in my homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Have I explained that question or not?
Ma'am, you have explained these kinds of questions now only.
So you can do that.
Yes, ma'am, I can do exercise 1.
No, not whole exercise. Question number 1, question number 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now comes to question number 3. We have in this way. 6 is equal to z plus 2. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So there's no confusion. This question is just like the above one. But
Ma'am, done.
Yeah. How will you do that? Tell me. I will write.
Ma'am, 6 minus 2 is equal to z.
Very good.
And then it will be 4 is equal to z.
Yeah. One thing more. This is plus, this is minus. So different signs. So plus 4. Okay, Parishi? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now third one is also done. Now fourth one. Now there are type of rational numbers, that is the fractions along with these. Okay. May you solve this?
Uh, no, ma'am. I have done this one.
Just tell me, where is the variable?
Ma'am.
Firstly, I will
Ma'am,
write.
variable is after 3 by 7.
Yeah, so we firstly write over here variable x. Okay.
X is equal
So yeah.
to 7
Firstly,
minus 3
firstly
by
write
7.
this one 17 by 7. Then this is
Minus
plus.
3 by 7.
Yeah, this is plus. We
Yes.
take it over here, right hand side. This is minus 3 by 7. Now it is a little bit easy.
Then, ma'am,
Little bit easy.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So we have the same denominators.
So, ma'am, we will just do minus.
Yeah, 17 minus 3. This is plus and this is
14
minus.
by
These
7.
are two different signs. Then what is the answer?
Ma'am, it will be 14 by 7. After cutting, it will be 2.
Very good. Parishi, you have done this.
Ma'am, I did the first exercise only as I could not solve the second one.
But you have sent me the first one, that's why I am taking this. But before proceeding to next exercise, I also want to share with you some more concept. Okay. After that, I will take the second exercise. Okay. Just a little bit of time. These are the two concepts. These are related with plus and minus type of linear equations. So in the next, we have, for example, t over 5 is equal to 10. And for example, if we have 5t over 10, this is the concept base. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
whenever there is a division, if we don't understand,
It will be multiplied.
yeah, very good. 10 over 1. So this is cross multiplied, that this becomes 5 into 10 over 1. Clear? Similarly, if we take this one in this way, then what is the answer? T is equal to 10 into 1 over 5 into 1. Yeah, clear. You know all these concepts. Okay, Parishi. The next pattern. Have you done the question number 8 easily or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You know how to put the decimals after multiplying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now question number 10. Question number 10. 14y minus 8 is equals to 30. Parishi, what I will write?
Ma'am, 14y is equal to 13 plus 8.
Very good.
Then 20, y is equal to 21 divided by 14.
Very good. Then
Ma'am, we will cut it and it will be 3 by 2.
what? Okay. Now comes